Ever wondered what separates a basic sight from elite long-range glass? In this video, we're breaking down the 7 levels of Riflescope, from entry-level optics to pro-tier precision builds. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned shooter, this guide will help you understand what each level offers and how to choose the right scope for your needs. Let's dive in. Level 7. ZEISS LRP S5. First focal plane is a premium precision optic designed for long-range shooting, competition, and tactical use. Featuring a first focal plane, FFP, reticle, it ensures that your holdovers and range estimations are accurate at any magnification setting, making it ideal for shooters who need precision at various distances. The scope offers a 34mm main tube for increased elevation and windage adjustments, and comes in magnification ranges like 525x56 or 3 to 18x50, with a large objective lens that provides excellent light transmission, even in low-light conditions. The high-quality shot glass used in the scope delivers clear, sharp images, and the scope is equipped with ZEISS's proprietary coatings to enhance light gathering and clarity. The turrets are tactile and repeatable, providing precise adjustments, while the daylight visible illuminated reticle helps in low-light conditions. Its rugged, shockproof, waterproof, and fog-proof design ensures it will perform in demanding environments. Pros: first focal plane reticle for accurate holdovers at all magnifications. Excellent optical clarity with high light transmission, ideal for low-light environments. Wide adjustment range for precise long-range shooting. Daylight visible, illuminated reticle. Rugged build quality, suitable for harsh conditions. Cons: premium price, which may be overkill for casual shooters or hunters. Larger size and heavier weight compared to simpler scopes. Advanced features may be unnecessary for basic or short-range use. Price: typically priced around $3,500 to $6,500, reflecting its high-end performance and build quality, especially for competition and tactical applications. Level 6. Swarovski Z5 is a premium, high-end optic built for serious hunters and precision shooters who demand exceptional clarity, light transmission, and reliable performance in all conditions. Leveraging Swarovski's renowned optical glass and advanced lens coatings, the Z5 delivers extremely bright, sharp images with superb contrast and color fidelity even in low-light situations such as dawn and dusk, and it's available in popular magnification ranges like 3 to 15x44, 5 to 25x52, and 7 to 35x56 to suit everything from mid-range to long-range hunting and precision work. Featuring a rugged yet lightweight one-piece tube that's waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof, so it stands up to harsh field use. Its reticle options are designed for quick target acquisition and intuitive holdovers. And the smooth, precise turrets, often with zero-stop options, make dialing adjustments confidence-inspiring and repeatable. Built with ergonomics in mind, the Z5's controls are easy to operate even with gloves, and its premium build quality helps it maintain performance over long-term use. Pros: outstanding optical clarity and brightness that outperform most competitors in its class, excellent low-light performance, rugged all-weather construction with precise, repeatable adjustments, intuitive reticles, and ergonomic controls, and strong brand reputation with excellent support. Cons: premium price point that may be out of reach for budget-minded shooters, heavier and bulkier than simpler hunting scopes, and many advanced features may be unnecessary for casual or entry-level users. Price: typically ranges from $2,000 to $3,500 plus, reflecting its elite optical quality and performance for serious hunters and precision shooters. Level 5. Nightforce NX6 5 to 30x56 is a top-tier long-range rifle scope built for precision shooters, competitive marksmen, and serious hunters who demand exceptional performance at extended distances. It features a 5 to 30x magnification range, with a large 56mm objective lens that excels in low-light conditions and gives bright, detailed images even at extreme range, and is available with either first focal plane, FFP, Reticles for true sub-tension accuracy at any power or second focal plane, SFP, reticles for simpler aiming. Its rugged 30mm main tube and precision turret system, often with field set 2TM or zero-stop functionality, provide repeatable positive adjustments and easy return to zero, while adjustable parallax lets you fine-tune focus from close distances out to infinity. High-quality glass and advanced coatings deliver outstanding clarity, contrast, and edge-to-edge sharpness throughout the zoom range. And the durable waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof construction ensures dependability in the most demanding environments and recoil-intense calibers. Pros: excellent long-range performance with a broad 530x zoom and large objective for superior light transmission. Available first focal plane options for accurate ranging and holdovers at all powers. Precision turrets with easy reset to zero and reliable tracking. Outstanding optical clarity and contrast even at high magnification. Rugged, all-weather build suitable for harsh field conditions. Cons: premium price makes it considerably expensive compared with mid-range optics. Larger size and weight compared with low-power hunting scopes. Advanced capabilities may be more than casual shooters require. Price: typically around $2,400, $2,800, reflecting its elite performance and durability for precision long-range shooting. Level 4. Leupold VX3i is a premium all-purpose optic designed especially for hunters and shooters who want excellent clarity, brightness, and rugged dependability across a wide range of conditions. Available in popular magnification ranges like 3 to 9x40, 4 to 12x40, 4 to 12x50, and 6 to 18x50. It features Leupold's high-definition lenses, with superior light transmission and true color fidelity that deliver crisp, bright images even in low-light situations such as dawn and dusk. While the rugged one-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, making it tough enough for everyday field use. The intuitive reticle options, such as duplex, Boone, and Crockett or ballistic aiming system, help with fast target acquisition and practical holdovers without clutter. And the smooth, reliable windage and elevation adjustments make sight-in and long days in the field much easier. Eye relief is generous and forgiving, and the ergonomic design means easy operation in a variety of hunting and shooting scenarios. Pros: excellent optical clarity with bright, sharp images. Rugged all-weather construction that stands up to recoil and harsh conditions. Smooth, consistent, and reliable adjustments. Intuitive reticle options for easy aiming. Comfortable eye relief and ergonomic controls. Cons: not a first focal plane optic, so subtensions aren't accurate across all magnifications. Lacks some advanced tactical features like zero-stop turrets. Reticle illumination, if included, is basic, and price is higher than basic entry-level scopes. Price typically ranges around $700, $1,000, offering strong performance and durability for serious hunters and shooters who want premium optics without going into ultra-premium territory. Level 3. Vortex Crossfire. Riflescope is a reliable, value-focused optic designed for hunters and recreational shooters who want dependable performance without a premium price. Available in popular magnification ranges like 3 by 9x40, 4 12x40, 4 12x50, and others, it features fully multi-coated lenses that improve light transmission and image clarity, and straightforward reticles, such as deadhold BDC or duplex, that make target acquisition and basic holdovers intuitive in typical field conditions. Built with a one-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube, the Crossfire 2 is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, providing durable performance in outdoor environments. And its smooth, reliable windage and elevation adjustments make sight-in easy and consistent. Generous eye relief and a forgiving eye box help make it comfortable for quick shooting and follow-up shots, while the scope's simple, rugged design means it's suitable for general hunting, plinking, and range work. Pros: excellent value for money, decent optical clarity and brightness for everyday hunting and mid-range use, rugged all-weather construction, intuitive and easy-to-use reticles, and smooth, reliable adjustments. Cons: not designed for precision long-range work, optical performance trails, higher-end scopes in low light and edge sharpness, reticle illumination, if present, is basic or absent, and turrets lack advanced features like zero stop or tactical clicks. Price: typically ranges around $200, $300, making it a strong all-around choice for hunters and casual shooters who want a dependable rifle scope without paying premium prices. Level 2. BARSKA Level Series. Riflescope is a budget-oriented variable power optic designed for hunters and casual shooters who want basic performance with some user-friendly features without spending a lot. It typically comes in magnification ranges like 3x40, 412x40, or 624x50, with multi-coated lenses that improve light transmission and contrast compared with untreated glass, and simple reticles, such as mil-dot or BDC, that make target acquisition and basic holdovers easier in everyday field conditions. Built with a lightweight aluminum tube, these scopes are generally easy to mount on a variety of rifles and include straightforward windage and elevation adjustments, so sighting in is intuitive even for beginners. Pros: very affordable price that's easy on the budget, decent optical clarity for casual hunting and shooting, simple and intuitive reticle options, lightweight, easy-to-mount design, and basic weather resistance for general outdoor use. Cons: overall optical sharpness and brightness lag behind higher-end optics. Illuminated reticle, if present, tends to be basic or weak. Adjustment turrets may feel less precise and repeatable. Weatherproofing and ruggedness are modest, and performance at longer distances is limited. Price: typically ranges around $100, $200, making the BARSKA Level Series rifle scope a solid choice for entry-level shooters and budget-minded hunters who want a functional optic without a high cost. Level 1. Hawke Vantage 6th 24x50 rifle scope is a versatile long-range optic that blends high magnification, solid light gathering, and field-ready durability at a competitive price point, making it a great choice for hunters, target shooters, and tactical shooters who want extended reach without premium cost. It features a 6-24x magnification range paired with a 50mm objective lens that enhances brightness and target clarity in low-light conditions like dawn or dusk, fully multi-coated optics that improve contrast and reduce glare, and precise windage elevation turrets, often with zero stop on select models, for confident adjustments at long distance. Many Vantage models offer first focal plane FFP reticle options, meaning the reticle subtensions stay accurate at all powers for true holdovers, and ranging while even second focal plane versions provide intuitive reticles suitable for hunting and general shooting. The scope's rugged one-piece tube is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, and side-focused Chach parallax adjustment lets you fine-tune clarity at longer distances, adding flexibility for extended range engagements. Pros: wide and useful, 6-24x magnification covers mid to long-range targets. Large 50mm objective lens improves light transmission and low-light performance. Optional FFP reticle for true ranging and holdover at any power. Rugged all-weather construction for reliability in varied conditions. Good value relative to performance and features. Cons: heavier and bigger than low-power scopes, affecting balance on light rifles. Your reticle illumination, if present, and extra features may be basic compared with premium optics. Edge-to-edge sharpness at max zoom may trail ultra-premium scopes. Price: typically ranges around $450, $650, offering strong long-range capability and useful features for shooters who want performance without a high-end price tag. That's our breakdown of the 7 levels of rifle scope, from entry-level to elite precision optics. If this helped you understand how scopes stack up, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more gear guides. Comment which level you're shooting for and join our community. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.